So this time we're going to take some mixed numbers and multiply them instead of add them. So we're going to start in the very same way. We're going to take our mixed number, 2 2/3. I'll apply the negative in a moment. To get the number on top of our improper fraction, we multiply the 3 by the number out in front and add the number on top, and then put it over the original denominator. So in our case, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. We get 8/3, but that was negative. That's going to be multiplied by 4 1/10. So once again, to find the top number of our improper fraction, we take what's on bottom, 10, times what's in front, 4, and add the numerator and put it over our original denominator. 10 times 4 is 40, and 40 plus 1 is 41. So we get 41/10. This time, though, we're multiplying. So we're taking -8/3, and we're multiplying by 41/10. And with multiplying, we don't have to have common denominators. We can merely just get multiply top times top and bottom times bottom. But if there, by chance, there's any common factors, we can simplify our life a little bit by dividing out those common factors. So I notice, for instance, that -8 and 10 are both divisible by 2. So -8 divided by 2 is -4, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. And so now I just take top times top. This just saves me a little time, which would be 41 times 4, but negative. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So I get -164 on top. And bottom times bottom, 15. Now you'll notice, though, that the answer that's given on this worksheet is as a mixed number. I don't know how picky your teacher is going to be about this, but you can leave that as -164/15, or you can just take your long division and divide 164 by 15, and you find that there are 10 15s. I just took 164 and I divided by 15. 15 goes into 16 one time. 1 times 15 is 15. Now I subtract and I get 14. I have no 15s that go into 14. So there is one space left above the 164, so I need to put a 0 there. That's where the 10 comes from. And how many were remaining? 14. So we put that over our original denominator. So we get -10 and 4/15.